If you have an Android phone, did you know that an app comes pre-installed that tracks all of the activity on that Android phone? The things that you do, the apps that you open, the usage, all of that is used to track you and then send that as anonymized advertising info to both Google as well as third-party users. I'm going to walk you through what that app does, how to prevent it from doing that, and also some other things that you can do to prevent all of these ads on your Android phone from gathering your information. So first, I want to walk you through what this app does. You can see it manages three things. Android notes your interests based on the apps you use, like photography or fitness, and then shares that with advertisers. It also controls whether apps can remember your activity in previous apps to suggest ads in new apps. And then it also allows advertisers to measure how well their ads perform without giving away your personal information or browsing habits, but it does send them basically information on how well their ads perform when they're shown on your Android phone. I'll show you how to find that app and how to disable it. So let's hop out of here, take your finger and swipe up. Tap on the Settings app on your Android phone. And then from here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps at the bottom. Now you won't see this under the normal list of apps because this is a core system app that you didn't install, just comes pre-installed on your Android phone, whether you have a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel, whatever you may have. To be able to access that, next to your apps, tap on the filter icon and then toggle on Show System Apps and then tap OK at the bottom. Now you can see here it is at the top, Add Privacy. If I tap on that, you can see Add Privacy is installed on my phone, even though I didn't install it. I can scroll down and it's used my mobile data, it has storage, but at the bottom, it doesn't give me the ability to force quit it or to delete it. It just comes pre-installed on your phone, and there's no way to disable it on your phone. However, there is one workaround that you can disable this. Now, if you go into any of these, even storage, you can see I can't clear the cache or data. It's just locked on my phone. However, I'm going to tap the back arrow again. And within the app's settings, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Special Access. If you don't see Special Access, just go to your settings and search for Special Access on your Android phone. From here, scroll down and choose Usage Data Access, or it might just say Usage Access. Again, you won't see that app on here because we need to show the system apps. So tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Show System Apps. And there is Add Privacy, and at the top it says allow apps to monitor which other apps you use and how often, and identify your service provider, language settings, and other data usage. All you need to do is toggle off Add Privacy at the top. However, this doesn't do everything to eliminate the tracking on your Android phone to serve you better ads. There's one other place that we need to check and make sure we turn off. So tap the back arrow again, and tap the back arrow again. At the beginning of your settings, you're going to scroll down until you find either Google or Google Services, and tap on that. Next, tap on your name at the top. You can see Trevor Nace and your email address. Tap on that, and then tap on Google account right under there. Now, you used to be able to do this in the settings in the advertising section. However, now for whatever reason, it's blank, aka they don't allow you to manage that in the settings itself. But you can manage it in the Google account. From here, scroll down, tap on Data and Privacy, and then scroll down again. Look for My Ad Center Personalized Ads on Google. First, we're going to tap on that, and you can see even though I've turned off the Ad Privacy app, personalized ads are still on. And you can see it has tracked my age, my gender, and it'll gather information about my relationships, household income, etc. At the top, all you need to do is tap on personalized ads. Instead of on, tap turn off personalized ads. But that's not the only thing that you need to do within here. Tap the Got It button, and you can see as you scroll down, some of these are still on. Activity on sites and apps. This is still on, and you want to make sure that is toggled off. You can see as I go through here, they should all be turned off. Tap the back arrow again, and next let's go to Partner Ad Settings. You can see on here, if I scroll down, it says help advertisers select ads for you. Allow advertising partners to use additional information from your browser or device to help select ads on sites and apps that partner with Google. Again, you don't necessarily need this, and it will track the usage of your Android phone to essentially serve better ads to you. Turn that off and hit confirm, and got it. You can also scroll down and under Related Google Account Controls, tap More Settings, and make sure everything is turned off here, in addition to also save data in your Google account from sites and apps that you partner with. Make sure that is turned off. And now you've disabled the ad tracking on your Google Android device. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.